Two giants in the website, building world, Squarespace and Magento face off today. Which one truly stands out? On the left, Squarespace, the all-in-one platform known for stunning design and simplicity. On the right, Magento, the robust, customizable powerhouse favored by serious e-commerce players. We're putting both to the test in the ways that matter: ease of use, customization, features, pricing, scalability, even customer support. Let's cut through the marketing hype and look at what these platforms actually offer. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll know which solution best matches your needs. The outcome may surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's our quick mind map of what we're going to compare: price, features and flexibility, design, ease of use, scalability, security and maintenance, integrations, and, of course, e-commerce. Ready? Let's tackle the first round. So, let's talk price. Squarespace is a monthly subscription thing, and honestly, it feels pretty reasonable for what you get. All the must-haves are already baked in. Yeah, sure, if you start loading up on extras, it gets a bit pricier, but no wild surprises. Now, Magento, well, the open source thing is technically free, but don't let that fool you. Between hosting, development, and ongoing tweaks, costs add up fast. Unless you live and breathe code, Magento can end up way more expensive. So, Squarespace totally takes this one. Next up, features and flexibility. Squarespace is packed with solid templates, great for blogs, portfolios, and basic online stores. But if you want some wild back-end customization, not really its thing. Magento, on the other hand, is basically a builder's playground. Crazy customizable, supports massive catalogs, B2B, whatever you can throw at it. The trade-off? Way steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. Magento wins for pure flexibility, but only if you're ready to roll up your sleeves. Alright, design. Squarespace absolutely nails it here with those gorgeous professional templates. It's all drag and drop, and honestly, even if you have zero design experience, your site looks, well, impressive. The downside? Swapping templates after launch isn't super flexible. Now, Magento gives you all the creative freedom in the world, but only if you or your team can code. So for most people, ease trumps complexity, and Squarespace edges ahead in the design department. Oh, and here's something cool I found. Magento powers giant brands like Nike and HP. Meanwhile, Squarespace sites, they've actually won Webby Awards for their design chops. Bet you didn't expect that. Ease of use is next, and no surprise, Squarespace really shines. It's like you sign up and you're already halfway done. The interface is clean, super intuitive, lots of little guided hints. Advanced stuff is there, it's just a bit tucked away sometimes. On Magento, yeah, if you're a developer, you'll be fine. But if not, brace yourself. It's powerful, but the learning curve is real. So in terms of user friendliness, this one's all Squarespace. Let's get into scalability, and here's where things flip. Squarespace is awesome for small businesses, bloggers, creatives, that range. But if you're planning on going global or running like a giant online empire, the platform shows its limits. Magento, meanwhile, is totally at home with giant product catalogs, multi-store setups, international currencies, the works. If you're thinking world domination, Magento is the way to go. Talking security and maintenance, Squarespace is super reassuring. Managed hosting, SSL built-in, updates are just handled for you. The trade-off? You don't get a lot of control over the deeper security stuff, but for most folks, that's actually a relief. With Magento, you get to call all the shots, which also means if something breaks, it's on you to fix, patch, and update everything. It can get overwhelming fast. So, for stress-free security, Squarespace wins this round. Integrations. This is interesting. Squarespace has its own app marketplace, pretty decent for the basics, but if you want something more fancy, you may hit a wall. Magento, on the other hand, is like walking into an all-you-can-eat buffet, thousands of extensions, tons of third-party connections. Here's the catch, you'll probably need some dev help to get everything running smoothly. Still, for sheer power and flexibility, Magento wins here. And, finally, e-commerce. Squarespace makes it a breeze to launch an online store. Physical or digital products, easy. But if you want really advanced features or lots of payment options, you're gonna hit some limits. Magento? This is its playground. Complex product rules, crazy promotions, multi-language, multi-currency, you name it. But yeah, that admin backend is nothing to mess around with. Magento is built for serious e-commerce. Let's check our side-by-side radar chart, and you'll see Squarespace totally dominates on ease of use, price, and stress-free security. But look at those spikes from Magento in features, integrations, scalability, and e-commerce muscle. It's a classic trade-off, simplicity versus power. So, if you want a gorgeous, easy website and you never want to touch a line of code, go with Squarespace, hands down. But if you're building a big, complex online store and really want to customize every little thing, and you've got technical backup, Magento is your best bet. Choose your battles. If you found this breakdown helpful, you know what to do. Subscribe for more expert tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.